How to fix Instagram quiz feature missing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram quiz feature missing problem. So if you are not finding your quiz feature, then what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then you can see here Instagram. Search for Instagram and go to Instagram. Now if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram, and then the problem will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then don't worry, I will show you the more tips to fix the problem. Scroll down and you can see here an option, you are a beta tester. So I have already joined the beta tester. So what you have to do is, you can see an option as leave option. So I will just leave this once, and you can see a rejoin. So if you are new, then you will find an option as join option. So just click on join and you have to join the beta tester, and then go to Instagram and check your quiz feature. It will be there. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do, I will show you the tips again. Go to your settings, and then scroll down and go to app management or install apps. So search for Instagram here, go to Instagram, and you have to do is stop the force here, and then you can see here storage. You can see here storage uses. Just click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now you can see here an option as permission option. Just click on permission option, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Now you have to allow all the permission, and then what you have to do is restart your phone. You have to restart your phone and then reopen your application. The problem will be solved. And if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is just uninstall your Instagram account, and then reinstall it and re-login it, and the problem will be 100% solved. Thanks for watching.